Okay, today we are going to learn how to add last quarter data using DAX in Power BI. To add a DAX formula, what I can do, I can just go to the order table, and over here I can right click and click for a new measure. Now I can name it whatever I want to. I'm just naming it PARAQ, as we are looking for quarter data, last quarter data. So now go to the next line and take the formula calculate. So first we have to grip the expression. For that we have created a measure, total sales. That means sales into quantity, that is the total sales. Now we want, if you just want the current month data or current quarter data, we can go with this, but we want last quarter data. So for that we have to write another function called parallel period. Okay, so in that parallel period we are going to take the date first, and then we have to give the number of intervals, what gap we are looking for. We are looking for last quarter data, so that is why instead of 0 or anything else, we are writing -1, and we have to select quarter. That is parallel period for you, and now close the cap. So now if I take this PARAQ and my visual, you can see over here I have this last quarter data. So this is the quarter which is blank, then you have this quarter. If I take the quarter, you'll understand better. So suppose we are taking quarter over here, so you can see quarter, we are getting the last quarter data. So this is the quarter 1 data which is coming over here in quarter 2, and this is the quarter 2 data which is coming here in quarter 3. So this way